Hello everyone, I'm Taffany and I want to welcome you into my garden. I am out in between the rains trying to hurry up and get as much stuff done as I can. So every time the rains stop, I come out and I get a little planting done. It rains, I go back in the house, I come out and I get a little bit of this or a little bit of that done. This particular time, I want to get this gravel down and finish up, filling in empty spots in this courtyard garden where I did not have enough gravel when I was designing it. So before the rains come back, let's get this gravel down. So let's get going. I think adding a third hanging basket on that other post would be perfect back here. What do you guys think? I think it would really kind of add balance to that back fence. Well, all of the gravel is down. I didn't get everything on camera, but there are spots in the very back where I also put down gravel where it was where I ran short. So I feel like I do have enough to have the whole area covered, but I do think it could stand to use another whole layer of gravel, but that's on another day. But it looks very good, and it will keep the drain from clogging up with dirt as it was doing before, because the dirt level was so much higher over the drain. So this is perfect. And in that little corner, I could put a pot with some flowers or something like that. So this is just really coming along so lovely. And also off camera, I added mulch just to one side. I want to work on these other beds on the other side along the wall of the garage there, and at the entrance door, the back door here to the garage, I want to work on those beds. So I didn't mulch them yet, but it just looks so good, and I'm so excited about the direction it's going in. So tell me what you think below, guys. How do you like the new look and the direction I'm heading in? All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you for being in the garden with me on this rainy day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.